Today I'm going to show you how to import a page with the Divi builder. So the first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress backend, and then you're going to navigate to Pages, where you're going to choose Add New. And in this case, I'm going to call this page the Divi demo, Divi landing demo. And because this is a landing page, I want to change the default template so that that has my menu and my footer in it. And I want to change this to a blank page template, and that will remove the navigational menu and the footer from this page, because all we want them to do is take action on that one thing that we want them to do. So I'm going to make that change, and then I'm going to choose Use the Divi Builder. It will then save a draft and open the builder. So because this is a page that you're importing a template for, you're going to choose Build from Scratch and choose Start Building, and then X out of this first box and click on the circle with the 3 white dots in it at the bottom, which will open the builder menu. Then you're going to click on the purple circle with the up and down arrows, which is portability, which is what allows you to export or import. We are obviously not exporting because there's nothing here yet. So we're going to click Import, then we're going to choose a file. I'm looking for my opt-in page template because this is the version I'm going to use as an example. I'm going to click Open, and I'm going to choose to replace the existing content. This isn't a big deal because there's nothing on here except that first block, but you want it to replace everything that's already there. If you are replacing a page versus starting from scratch, you might choose to also download a backup before you import. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the Divi Builder layout. Now this can go really quickly, or it can take a couple of minutes. This is a small page, so it won't take that long. And now, as you can see, because I chose a blank page template, there's no menu and there's no footer. So all of the pieces for this page are part of the Divi Builder. So now you can edit everything from the call out banner to the headline and the placeholder text and replace the images. You can also take out anything in here that is not relevant to your landing page. And then what you want to do is click Save Draft if you're not ready for it to be published, or click Publish so that it's ready to be ready and available. I'm going to save the draft of this because it's not done. And then I'm going to click Exit Visual Builder at the top. And that is how you import a page layout with the Divi Builder.